all the balance has been painted. All in there's been done in red oxide. Front's coming on a lot, very nicely. So, yeah. Slowly getting there. Hi everyone, I'm just now fixing my door edge here. Don't know if you can see it because of the sun. I'm just working on all of that now. That's what I'm starting on. Get this little job out the way with. And I'll be back with you when I've done some more. I'm just cleaning all the edges up. I'll be back with you when I've done some more. There it is. Took all that out. Cut all the way along there. I'm just making a lip for ear. A repair. I'll take all of that out. I'm behind the post here because there was holes all in it. So let's cut the post. I'm going to repair all there and then I'll weld this post back in. So yeah, I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Yeah, that's that piece repaired. Right across there to there. New piece welded in. Now I've just got to start making, cleaning all in there and start making the bits that go across too. So, back with you shortly. This is it so far. Just about to put some brush treatment up there. I've repaired it here. I've repaired it here. And now I'm just going to put some brush treatment all in there and I've cleaned it out. I'll be back with you shortly. Some brush treatment in there. I'm just about to start making the panel. I'm only going to do ear to ear for now so I can get all this structure back in. And then I'm going to mend this another day and mend that corner because it's a bit more complex. I just want to get this post strong again because there was light all shining through here. So that's that, and I'll be back when I've done some more. There's the new piece. Going up to there, all the way in. And obviously I'll draw some spot welds for these to cling to. Then I'll weld them underneath there. So I'll be back with you when I've started doing that. Hi everyone, I'm just working on this bit now. Right, let's put a piece of metal in there because it was rotten. Welded it in under there. So now this is where this will connect to. Down to here. And I'll show you the piece that I've made. This is the piece I made. I've just put it in primer. But this piece is a bit more difficult to make because I had to curve it like that around the edge to give it a shape. And I had to give it like a little thing. So this one was a bit harder to make. So I'll be back with you when I start installing that. Hi everyone. Just wanted to show you this. All that's repaired now. I've put some brush treatment on it. I've just got to finish grinding it. I had to do some internal repairs inside. That comes across and then overlaps it there. I've just got to grind it down. Let me show you the front balance. That's the front balance. All done. Ready for body work. There's a little bit of... Oh, where are you? There's a little bit of a hole up in that corner, do you see it? But I'll repair that when I come to repair down the sides. But yeah, that's it for this video. Next time, when I make my next video, I will show you that door frame when it's finished before I move on to the next bit. So please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.